Good morning, guys. Today it's Sunday. We go Dubai day. So aga kami gayak. It's 10:15. Init, guys. So ngayon day kami Dubai. See you, Dubai. Sitayin natin. Sila nanay, tatay, si Utol Mox, Coco. See you soon, Coco. Dubai. Sitayin Dubai. Para sa anniversary nila nanay. So, see you.
Tiny hands wrapped around my thumb. First steps taken, here you come. Laughter echoes down the hall. You're my heart, my world, my all. Time keeps flying, you keep growing. But my love will keep on showing. You'll always be
Where are you
my
going?
little girl through every door.
Where?
And Coca House.
Where's Coco house?
Was in Dubai.
Mabilis ang linis bago umalis. Are you ready?
Wait lang. I fix it myself.
Where are you going?
Dubai. Kakain ng pinakbit.
Now we are ready.
Yeah.
See you soon, Coco. Taga namin yung pinakbit mo. Pritong guwas na no, isda. Saan ka punta, Daddy? Saan ka punta?
Dubai.
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 Masyal ulit. Kahit mainit.
Walang mainit-init. Pasyal kung pasyal. Ano that?
Tiny hands wrapped around my thumb. First steps taken, here you come. Laughter echoes down the hall. You're my heart, my world, my all. Time keeps flying, you keep growing, but my love will keep on showing. You'll always be my little girl. Through every dance, through every twirl. No matter where life takes you to, I'll be right here watching you. Late night talks and bedtime stories, chasing dreams, making memories. From your first bike ride to cap and gown, I'll be cheering.
Touchdown na tayo dito sa Dubai. So dito tayo sa bahay nila Utol. Hanap lang tayo ng parking. Today it's Sunday, busy day, free parking. So wala. Hintay-hintay tayo may umalis. Ito muna tayo. Abang tayo, guys. Wala eh. So yan talaga pag Sunday, busy.
You want rice? Leah?
Touchdown, Coco House.
Yeah, but
Yan na oh. Ang ganda naman.
Here you go. Go. You're here. Go. Go.
lang. Kasi yung binili natin sa ano
But it's not bad. Hey.
20 pair, ano yata.
Need your